So, lead magnets. What is the difference between lead magnets that get downloaded and forgotten right afterwards versus lead magnets that actually convert people into paying customers? Over the past year, I created around 10 different lead magnets, and some got thousands of downloads, like amazing results, and it didn't convert into any sales. And the other ones that got few downloads but had an excellent conversion rate. And the difference is not what most tutorials will tell you. It's not about making it look pretty in Canva or having the perfect landing page design. Stay with me. I'm going to show you exactly how to create lead magnets that people actually want and that actually make you money at the end of the day. Hey everyone, I'm Dan from Online Labs, and I help people master Google Ads and build successful businesses through digital marketing. If this kind of practical knowledge marketing strategies helps you, hit that subscribe button. I share what actually works in lead generation, and not just that. There's so many useful tutorials that you will find on this channel with real results. And by the way, if you want to use some of the lead magnets that I created, check out them in the description. Templates, landing page examples, conversion optimization guides, and so much more that you can use right away. All right, let's dive into creating lead magnets that convert. Well, first of all, let's make sure that we're on the same page. What is actually a lead magnet? A lead magnet is something valuable you give away for free in exchange for someone's contact information. Usually it's just their email address. And it could be a PDF guide, a template, a checklist, maybe video tutorial, or even a free consultation. But here's what most lead magnet tutorial miss. It's not just about collecting emails or users' data. It's about building trust from early stage. Think about it from your perspective. When was the last time you downloaded a free guide that was just a sales pitch in disguise? How did that make you feel about that business? Exactly. You felt cheated or you felt some kind of negative thoughts about it. And your lead magnet needs to deliver real value because the psychology behind this is the following. Someone who pays with their time now is significantly more likely to pay with their money later. And that's why companies like Costco give you away free samples, not because they're generous, but because it actually works. You taste the product, you trust it, you buy it. Simple as that. And the same principle applies to your business. Whatever you're in digital marketing, consulting, coaching, or any service-based business. So let's talk about how to create lead magnets that actually build trust. There are 3 types of lead magnets that consistently get much higher conversion rates, and I use all 3 in my business as well. Type number 1, reveal the problem. This is where you diagnose what's wrong in their specific situation. For example, if you're in Google Ads or digital marketing space, like me, you might create a free account audit template. You're not fixing everything. You're just showing them exactly what's broken and what's costing them money. Other lead magnet examples could be a website conversion audit, a social media strategy assessment, or an SEO health check. Why does this work so well? Because you're demonstrating your expertise without asking for anything. You're giving them a tool to see the gap between where they are and where they could actually be. And when they see that gap clearly, they naturally think, I need help with this. And this person obviously knows what they're doing. This is one of the highest converting lead magnet ideas because it's personalized to their situation. The next type is free trial. This is where you let people experience the full version of what you offer completely free for a limited time. This is very common for education field like online courses or SaaS products. And we do this the same with our Google Ads Masterclass by offering 7-day free trial with full access and no need for payment. If they like the product, they stay and continue paying for it. Now, you might be thinking, what if they're sneaky? What if they just don't take everything and leave? Here's what actually happens with well-designed lead magnet funnel. About 30% of people who experience the full value convert to paying customers. Not all of them, obviously, and not because you trapped them, but because they experience a real transformation. The key to this lead magnet strategy is making sure your paid offering is genuinely valuable to them, to your audience. Don't use a free trial to mask a mediocre product. The next step is to solve one step completely. A quick win for their business. This is my favorite lead magnet because it's very powerful for lead generation. What do you do is the following. You pick one specific painful problem and solve it completely, not partially, not here's an overview, but the actual fix. And one of the most popular lead examples could be fixing your conversion tracking in Google Ads. So if your tracking of your conversions is broken, this guide can fix it. And that's it. One problem, very specific one, fully solved. What happens after? Usually, they realize, okay, tracking is fixed, but I still have some campaigns or account structure issues, maybe bidding, maybe the results is not that great, maybe something wrong with the ad copy or something like that. And now they know you deliver the results because they seen the proof. So when you offer your paid service or a course, they ready to buy. This lead magnet strategy works because you're giving them away your secrets, but also selling the implementation. Once you decide what kind of lead magnet to create for your business, you need to choose also how to deliver it. Here's our 4 proven lead magnet ideas for delivery. So first of all, we have templates and tools in a spreadsheet file. Then you can have something interactive like a calculator. Also, Canva templates are nice, and checklists. And these are incredibly valuable for lead generation because they're immediately actionable. It's not just some vague information. For example, we have an agency profitability calculator for freelancers and ad agencies. And it's a great example because people plug in their real numbers and get instant insights. In terms of educational content, we have mini courses, video tutorials like this one, step-by-step guides, and cheat sheets. Also, make sure to include your offer in both video and text format because people learn in different ways and they prefer different format for that. So the video format can be repurposed, for example, for an email marketing. The key with any lead magnet format, make it easy to consume and implement. So simple landing page design works well. Clear next steps, what you should do after receiving the lead magnet, immediate delivery, and so on and so on. So where does most of those lead magnet tutorials fail to tell you? They tell you to create something, but they don't tell you how to make it actually convert, make people buy your product in the end. So your lead magnet needs to be so good that people can't believe you're giving it away for free. Like it needs to have a lot of value. Okay, this is pretty good for a free material. No, it should be like actually amazing. It is very important to know what your ideal customer needs, the pain points, and the solution that you can provide with this lead magnet. Some of you might be thinking, if I gave away all my best stuff, why would anyone pay me afterwards? And the truth about high converting magnets is the implementation could be hard sometimes because the businesses, unlike you, they don't have this expertise in your field. And most of them don't even have time to implement it because they want ongoing support. They want someone to do it for them. So the method here is to give away your secrets and sell afterwards the implementation. So the lead magnet should include video or text format, clear actionable steps that they can implement immediately, and a simple one call to action, telling them what to do next. And real value proves your expertise. And here's crucial, something crucial for your lead magnet strategy. You should test it with real people, get feedback. Make sure it actually solves the problem you say it solves. And you can test it out with your maybe existing customers or somebody who might be find this useful from your business circle. Once someone downloads your lead magnet, you need a clear path to your paid offering. And this is where your lead magnet funnel and email marketing can come together. Use these conversion optimization tactics. Value first. Your first email should deliver more value. It shouldn't be a sales pitch. Social proof. Share lead magnet examples of results others got from using it. Make your offer crystal clear. Make it obvious what the next step is. And also, you can use some marketing elements to remove friction. Make it easy to say yes, like free trial, offer money back guarantee, payment plans, or something like that. The goal of any lead generation strategy is simple. Someone downloads the lead magnet, experiences the value, sees you as an expert in this field, and naturally wants to work with you. That's how you turn lead magnets into paying customers. To conclude, creating high converting lead magnets is not rocket science, but it does require genuine value and strategic thinking. First of all, start with something small, with one lead magnet of these 3 ideas that we discussed previously. Create something that actually helps people and build trust before you try to sell anything. That's it for this video. Hit that like button if the lead magnet tutorial helped you, gave you some ideas, I hope so. And subscribe for more digital marketing and lead generation strategies. We have every week new video coming in, and let's build something real together, shall we?